G'day folks, on our very first trip when we stopped at the rest stop, went in, got a bite to eat, came back out, did a quick walk around of the old caravan, and when I went around, the back window was open. This could have been catastrophic if something would have happened. It could have got blown open as we were driving down the road, or it could have rained. Well folks, I used to have the paper checklist, gone to the paper checklist. Now we've created a one-stop shop, and this is ready to tow. Folks, it's a one-stop app which is fully customizable, and I'll show you in a minute. Folks, this is the Ready to Tow app right here. We're sitting inside the caravan. Let's just say we're getting ready to pack up, we're getting ready to go somewhere. So want to make sure that the cupboard doors inside are all secured. You just take, it's done. You want to make sure that your refrigerator and the freezer doors all locked up before you hit the road. Take, it's done. If you want to customize the app to something else that you may have inside your fifth wheel, your pop top, your caravan, anything that you're towing behind there, you can simply just customize this app as you see fit. So that's just a couple items on the inside. Let's shoot to the outside, see what we can do there. Now we're here at the most important part of your actual setup, is where your tow hitch is. So here I got my DO35. So if I want to turn around and add my DO35, make sure it's all ticked on there, tick, it's done. My Anderson plug, is that all connected on there? I go through, tick, it's done. So I've customized this actual checklist in the Depart tab to match my whole setup right here. You know, my blackjack, trailer jack is that all up there? Simply scroll on up, tick, it's done. So gone are the days where I'm relying on my piece of paper, gone are the days when I'm relying on my memory. As my rig changes, my checklist will change with it. Welcome to the Ready to Tow app. Look folks, that's just a couple of the items that I've actually added onto the Ready to Tow app to suit our tow rig. So our Snowy River and our Isuzu D-Mac, that's the items that I've added on there. It's a fully customizable app. So on here, you got the before tab, you got a departure tab, and you actually plan, you can map out your journey. You have an en route tab, so when you pull over to the side of the road, grab that McDonald's, do your quick walk around, you know, make sure that the actual wheel nuts are all torqued up, make sure your setup is still all connected properly, make sure that your tow lights, everything out in the back is still working properly. That's all included in this app, folks. Then you got your arrival tab, so that's actually arrived there, you know, your quick arrival setup, stabilizer bars down, you know, my blackjack is all covered up, put back away, everything's disconnected, my tow hitch is all covered back up. That's all inside my customable app right here, folks, that I've actually put on here. Then you got your supplies. You got anything when you're out camping that you might have to pick up later on? Folks, it's right here built inside this app. My list, I got stuff to pack. I could put a camping list in there. I could put a shopping list in there. I could put my beer on the list if I want to do that. I could do all that stuff too, folks. Here's your log. So it keeps a log of all your journeys that you've been on. It's all stored on the Ready to Tow app, folks. Servicing, any servicing that you've done, look, I've got my bearings done. I've got it in there, and it cost me $400. It's all inside the Ready to Tow app. This thing is fully customizable. You can PDF your actual whole tow rig and setup and email it to somebody. If you turn on, you go, right, I'm going to sell my Snowy River, you know, SRT 20. How many kilometers on it? How many trips have I done on it? It's all in the Ready to Tow app, folks. Download it today from the Apple Store. I will leave a link and a scan code on the actual video itself. So, folks, look forward to seeing what you add to the actual checklist itself, and look forward to hearing back for any feedback, anything that I can do better. The actual Google Play Store will be coming out the third quarter this year. I'm currently working on it right now, folks, and enjoy the Ready to Tow app. Thank you.